I never wanted to call it jealousy. It felt way too dramatic, too cliché, too insecure. So I told myself I was just curious. Why did he smile at her when she was looking at him? But deep down, I was afraid of not being enough, of not being chosen, of being quietly replaced. It showed up in silence, in watching who liked his photos, in noticing how he smiled at someone else, longer than he usually does. Noticing, then spiraling down in my own thoughts. I told myself I was aware of things, break here, stop mill. But I was waiting for the moment I'd be left behind. Again, abandoned, again. Even when he said the right things, my body would become braced, still wondering when the affection would shift. I became preoccupied, started to second-guess even minor things. When I'd say the wrong thing and become too much, I was scanning, not to control, but to subconsciously protect myself. I was told I was too sensitive, that I should relax, but no one saw what I carried. How many times I had been a second choice. How often I felt invisible in spaces where I should have felt safe. All the times when my younger self got emotionally neglected. Nobody stood up for me. Nobody asked me. So yes, I felt jealous, not to manipulate, because I was tired of guessing whether I mattered or not. And I got really good at pretending not to care. To be cool, to be chill. But deep inside I was aching, break here, stop mill. I was yearning for clarity, but too afraid to be unbearable in my need of seeking truth. What helped me wasn't shame, not advice. It was someone saying, I see the part of you that is scared. I'm not afraid of your anxieties. I'm here with you. That was the first time my jealousy felt seen and not judged. Break here, stop mill. It was okay to be my true self, having my own needs, to be understood. I started saying it out loud. I feel insecure. I feel left out. I feel like I'm not enough. And every time I spoke it out loud, the fear got quieter, less intrusive. My people, the real ones, break here, stop mill. They would understand. They would offer me help as good as they can. The space around me got safe. Unseen jealousy was trying to ruin love, because my jealousy was unseen. Although it tried to protect me really. Me and my body. But I get to teach it something new. I get to show it what love feels like. Love that is rooted in presence, not performance. It was a very tough path though, uncomfortable. Now when jealousy shows up, I pause. I ask myself, what part of me feels neglected? Which emotion wants to be seen? What wants it to tell me? What memory is surfacing? What do I need to feel safe? Break here, stop mill. Instead of just surviving, I take a moment to check in with myself. Sometimes the answer is simple: to be firmly hugged, to be sincerely heard, and to be consciously listened to be reminded that I am enough, just the way I am, that I don't have to perform, that I don't have to compete, that I also can have things my way. You're not too much. You're not broken. You're someone who never learned that being emotionally honest doesn't make you unlovable. It makes you human. You deserve to be met in your truth, not just tolerated. I encourage you to take a first step. Make it simple. The next time you feel tight in your chest, take a breath. Pay your attention to your body's sensations. Let this be the first time you let someone in, without shrinking yourself first. If this felt true for you, I invite you to take a deep breathe. You don't have to hide it anymore. Share a comment. Let someone else feel less alone. And if you want to hear the other side, Ben's story is waiting for you. Break here, stop mill. He shows you another perspective. Let's grow slow and root deep together.